All right, we're going to be doing an unboxing on this 12-inch stainless steel pan made from Lebof, and let's check it out. Let's go ahead and open it. It comes in this cool box, very protected, and let's just take a look here. It's very heavy, not super heavy where you can't carry it, but you can tell it's well made. It comes with this nice little bag for storage if you want to take it somewhere. Very fancy. And it's looking of high quality already, but let's give it a test. I'm really liking it, and we're gonna be making some salmon today. Asparagus and of course white rice. It's one of my favorite meals, and it's also a very healthy meal. So we got our garlic. I like to chop off the ends of the asparagus just because that end tends to be a little harder and I don't like to eat it anyway. So let's get that garlic, chop it up really fine, get the garlic salt, and put some olive oil on the salmon. Then you go ahead and put that garlic and garlic salt all over it. Let's put our asparagus in here with some garlic as well. And I got some salt, pepper, garlic to saute it with. Put a little bit of butter, salted butter, and then just keep stirring this until your asparagus are done. Pull a little off to the side and then pull the rest off to another plate. Let's go ahead and sear our salmon with the garlic side up first, and then flip it in about 5 minutes or so. And then as you can see, it starts to get that nice browning on there. We're only going to flip this salmon 2 times. All right, so let's put our butter, and this is going to give it a nice coat of butter, so when we do flip it, it'll sear the bottom nicely as well. Right now it's searing on the bottom where the garlic is. You don't want to overdo it because you'll burn the garlic and it won't taste great. So let this thing cook off, and we're just about ready to flip this garlic salmon. And this is very garlicky. Like, if you like garlic, this is the salmon for you. This is the plate for you. It's so dang good. I recommend you try it. So far nothing is sticking. This pan is really coming through, and I'm liking it, you know. So let's go ahead and pull one of these off and plate it. And I'm eating a whole salmon by myself, and the other one we're gonna share it with my son and my wife. So here's the plated food. It's looking really good, and we're also gonna test the food. We're gonna taste it, and I'm gonna tell you my opinion about the food. All right, but so far I really do like the pan, and I would recommend it. Yeah, man, for sure. If you guys are interested, the link will be in the description. Check out this beauty. All we really need right now to make this meal even more perfect would be some lemon from my lemon tree. So let's go ahead and get that. Squeeze lemon all over it, and let's go ahead and let's try this food.
Wow. Garlicky. Perfect sear on this thing. Come on. Dude, pan, legit. Stainless steel, 12-inch pan. Definitely good.